Blessings, this is Apostle Jean. Um, just want to do a small tutorial for you. Uh, we're going to take it very slow to show you how to do this. It's not hard stuff. We're going to start. Um, do some little baby stuff. And do some baby stuff. Um, I think everybody would know a twinkle, twinkle, little star, or A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So let's take this for example. Let's look at the lyrics. Twinkle, twinkle, little. See, that's easy, right? Again. It is very important to know your lyrics. So let's say I add the left hand with it. All right, easy. Let's do it again. Left hand, one, three, and then I go to 4, and I go to 1, or I can go to 1 or 5. It's the same thing. That 5 is actually 1. But okay, let's take 1 to make it simple. Again, 1, 3, 4. Why did I take 5 instead of 1? It kind of feel like da 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 da. It feels like it's finished when I take 1, but I want to give it a continuous taste, a taste that the song is not over yet. When da da da, and then I can go da da. See, now I take 1. All right, we're gonna explain that in a minute. So, like I said, we're gonna keep grading it, and we're gonna keep pushing it to the next level. Let me play a little bit for you. I'm gonna play it in different ways so you see what I'm trying to achieve, because I want to give you a taste of it. For example, like we start. Let me push it. Let me push it more. Let me push it more. I can keep going, but I'm just showing you different ways I'm playing it. But all those is start with the melody. Dun, 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 dun. We're gonna use that only. We're gonna complicate just that. For example, dun, dun, dun. Okay, why do I take the 3, which is the E? See, because I did dun, 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 dun. I stay in the C for too long. Instead of staying dun, 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 instead of staying there, I know the chords of C. There's three notes in there. There's E, there's G. There's 1, 2, 3, 5. There's E and G. So instead of staying in this, whenever a note is duplicate, I can just use one of those instead of just staying home. Example, let's do it again. Dun, 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 dun. See, I could have stayed there. I go dun, dun. See? Just so it doesn't stay boring. I can add more. Now there's the minor to this, which is A minor, which is 6. I can use the A minor because minor is part of the chords. It's part of C. It's related to C. For example, see, instead of going to this, I just use all my notes, or I go to my minor. Dun, dun, dun. So let's add more notes to it. See? I take 2 notes. I don't have to take those whole things. Why? Because too many repetition. Or if I didn't want to repeat the C, since I've been twinkle, I could have just started there. Twinkle. I could have. See? So I don't repeat notes. Okay, but let's start it here to make it simple. Dun, dun. See, this is the note. This is the C inversion. I take C inversion there. This is sus 4. C sus. I'm sorry, G sus 4. Union, or which is the 9th as well. Or we can call it C 9th. That's C. That's the 9th. We call it 9th. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is my 9. If I'm playing G, it's G. It's sus 4. G sus 4. Means suspended 4. That's what sus means. Alright. Twinkle, twinkle. What note is this? This is A minor, or 6, plus 1. See? A and E, G and C. Again. And I go E, C, D. And I move it to F, just one note. I can go little star or little. It doesn't matter. But I'll show you that other part later, diminish later. Little. There's so many things you can do there. So, which is F, F, C, A. My melody. C and G and E. And you can do this. A, F, G. What is that? That's drop 2. Instead of taking F and I drop F, I take it right here. So the time you're taking F, instead of doing F, I can do. See? That sounds beautiful. See? Instead of there's nothing wrong with that, but that sounds better. Again, which is A, F, G, melody E, and I go C, E, C, I can do, and A, and D, G, C. That's beautiful. Begin. And G, C, and F. I'm doing A, F, G, and G, E, D. I'm sorry, C, D, E, E, and G, C. there's so many varieties. It's, see, there's so many things you can do, but we're gonna stop it there. Next time, I'm gonna continue with it, and we're gonna add more stuff to it. All right, thank you for following. Let me know if you're learning something. If you have questions, I'll answer your question. If you're interested, I'll be interested too.